mission. Bounce, bounce, Singapore edition. We go, shot clock ticking pero kalmado pa rin. Parang speedrun, pero sharp ang aim. Resonation clock, we go up, up, up. Parang Mario pag may star, di ma-stop, stop, stop. From the baseline hanggang top ng black, SB ballers breaking every block. Resonation clock,
Singapore edition.
Hi guys, welcome to Street 33 Basketball.
SB ballers, Singapore.
Okay, ready? Mike. Rebound agad ni number 7. Pumula agad ng 3. Kaboom! Ubus oras na lang, guys. Number 7.
Kakas 17 yun.
17.
Kashoot ni Pacquiao eh.
7.
Ay,
Ang daming 7.
77 yung ano.
ang malaki daw yung 77.
Number 2.
Hindi, 7 yun.
7
yung nakashoot.
7 yung nakashoot. 7 yung nakashoot.
Oh.
Apeng using his body in and out. Hickman with a powerful rebound. 3 points.
3 points.
7 yung nakatres.
Ano to?
Oh, 7.
Bukalaan. Michael. Basket again.
17.
Back-to-back 3 from yellow team. Kinakabahan na.
2 points lang.
Hindi. Sablay. Rebound by yellow. Michael controlling the pace. It's only first quarter. Yellow. Maklang. Number 7 again. Number 7. Number 9. Dribbling the ball. Pass to team captain Arnold. Bang. Pick up by Higban. Throw to Maklang. Basket by Maklang. 8-0 is the score. Black on the possession. Chen. Essie. Fake. No basket. Steal by number 9 Oscar. Loose ball. Yellow ball. Shout out Carlo, fresh from the toilet.
10 seconds sa clock.
10 seconds to shoot. Higban. Fake. Pull up. Basket. Hindi yata makalaban natin. Arnold. First shot. Wala. Rebound by number 8. Chen. Reverse. Basket by Chen.
May alas kayo. Ito na yan. Alas kayo?
Joshua Alas. Carlo Dom.
May Carlo kami.
Bakit naman yung punta ka kay Alas?
Maklang. Louis Barno, open man. Number 7 Paul.
Naglaro na si Paul Capol. Okay na ba yung laro ni Paul Capol?
Okay na. Higban, parang nilalagay. Basket by the high flyer, Higban.
Dito ha. Si Paul naglaro ka.
Okay na siya.
Naglaro. Dito rin naglaro, umaga.
Okay na, wala nang ano.
Okay na. Peng. Pass to Oscar. 2 rebounds. Rebound by number 8, Mr. Chen. Pass to Arnold. Basket by Captain Arnold.
Captain Hook Arnold.
12-4 is the score. 16. Maklang. Setting up the play. Pass to Mike. Bon. Narabek.
Uy.
Loose ball. Black ball.
Labol.
Basta English yung habol to eh.
Chase.
Chase the score.
Habol mo lang ina.
Go.
Number 8. Basket.
Basket.
Nice move by number 8. third, Chen. 5 minutes and 45 seconds.
May wala nang palit yan, no?
Meron. Maklang. Side step move. Mr. Chen, 2v2 situation. Chen, still, mahigban. Higban, still again. By Oscar. Oscar, pass to Chen. Nice connection. Last position tayo.
Nag-tasking pala ang mga team.
Bon. Drop pass to Michael.
Kaya lang walang pants.
Bon, break. Use ball. Check over. Short. Pag na-shoot. Change yan tayo. Substitution. Sub muna tayo, Red. Sub muna.
Change time.
Substitution, 5 minutes remaining.
Dalawa lang papasok.
papalitan.
Dalawa lang. Isa lang papalitan.
Later also you can change the remaining move.
Oh, ba't hindi bumalik siya? 3.
You can go in.
Three,
You need to go in.
Go.
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 Yung dalawa, Kuya Arnold, pwede palitan mamaya.
Kulang sila, oh.
Ah, Ujima, basketball. Dalibero. Maklang. Pwede nyo palitan yung ano kaya mamaya.
Naiipit ah.
Maklang. Hallyu pass. Cannot. Shuwen. Oh! It's okay? Are you okay? Are you okay?
Dulas yung sapatos niya.
Bawal kasi yung Cartimar. Bawal yung Cartimar. Galing sa Cartimar.
Pangit pala yung ano,
Pwede niya
Lucas
palitan
77. Lucas 77 yun eh.
Michael.
Good.
Line ball.
Hindi mo na siya lumabas. Paano sa Chinese yun? Dapat pumasok mo na siya.
Go inside first.
Going sa first.
Same ball.
Time.
14 or 13. McBurn inbounding the ball. Pass to Maklang. 10 seconds to shoot. Maklang easy move. Rotate. Ikot. Cross court pass to
Oh.
Michael. Boom!
Pantay, busity.
Butas. Ball.
Nice rep.
Same 14-10 na. Guys, 14-10 already. Simple lang ha.
Kaya nga, simple lang ang laro niya, no?
Michael. Eugene charging his ray gun. Pass to Jen. Jen slash to the middle. Shuwen. In and out. Rebound by Hizel. Basket. Nice move.
Nice coach, Kelvin!
Shout out to Kelvin, the greatest tactician of all time.
Coach Kelvin, nice!
Phil Jackson nga pa.
Eugene, cross court pass to Apeng.
5 seconds shot clock. 4.
4, 3, 2, 1. Violation. It's a violation, guys. Shot clock violation.
Coach Kelvin's there. Oh.
Score 14-12. Number 7, drop pass to McBurn. Hey guys. Eugene taking 3. Short. It's okay. 14-12, 2-point lead by yellow. Number 7 cross-court pass. 13 seconds to shoot.
Ayo, Jen.
Malayo Warriors. 14-12, 2-point lead by yellow. 13 seconds. Lumas.
13.
Paano? Hindi pinapatay?
Ngayon, tingin mo na doon. Oh.
10 seconds shot clock.
Hands up, hands up.
In and out.
Yun, oh.
Sabay bilis, pre. Rush.
Go.
Go. Shuwen, short, follow up, short again. Rebound by McBurn. McBurn, loose ball. Same ball.
Okay, Jen. Go.
Rush hour.
Expedite. Nasa project.
Please expedite.
Please expedite.
Baklang setting up the pace.
14.
14 seconds. Last 55 seconds. Baklang 10 seconds. Number 7. Teardrops on my guitar.
Big boy.
Eugene setting up the pace. Pass to Chen. Chen, pull up. Basic basketball. 20 seconds remaining in our first quarter.
Last 20 seconds.
10 seconds.
12. No pa.
Pon, slash to the middle.
Throw.
2, 1.
Singapore edition.
Si Pon. Number 9, Pon.
2025.
Number 9, Pon.
Last quarter na.
Score, 18-14.
Singapore.
Ano kanya, Jom? Sa araw siya. Tama ba yung araw na?
14.
Natuloy akong waste.
Ang wish. Kakain ka na sana.
Alam niyang hindi makakasampu yata kaya di pumunta.
Oscar controlling the pace of the game. Pass to Shuen. Pass to Eugene. Eugene. Basket! Naku po! Pamatay sunog.
Ano lang, pre?
Eugene for 3 points. 10.
10 o'clock. Natakot siguro, na maglibre.
Eugene again? Ay, hindi pa si Eugene yan. Si Eugene ba yan? Hindi pala. Oscar, sorry. McBurn. Pull up. But there's a foul. Number 9. 99. Shuen.
McBurn shooting for charity.
Basket.
1 point lang.
Ilang laro doon? Dami ah. Captain Andor with the hook shot. Basket. It's a deadlock, guys. Kaboom! Wala. Relax lang kayo. In yellow, we trust. Baklang 2 points. Eugene, pass to Captain Arnold. Captain Arnold using his experience. What the extra step. Higban the high flyer. Akin yan. Cross court pass to Michael. Michael fake. Hesitates. Tinapon sa bao. Eugene. Eugene setting up the base. Pass to Arnold. Arnold fortunately. Wala. Con. Con. All the way. Ayan na. Mainit na talaga. What a good putback. All 21 is the score. McBurn. Cross court pass to Michael. Too strong. Michael. In and out. Higban. Higban. But there's a foul. Number 2. Dumarating na si Jack. Si kinabahan na. Si Edwin.
Later.
Already get the ball. After the second shot.
The second shot.
Goes in, then gets out. Si ano. But substitution. Substitution.
Tamang na sila.
Malamang pa rin ang
Pass
yellow.
na yellow.
1 point.
1 point lang, 1 point. Okay lang. Wala namang plan. Shout out to our viewers all over the court. Loose ball.
14.
Time out.
Time out.
Yellow. Yellow ball. Ano? Black ball. Loose ball, black ball. Oh, nasa na si ano?
20 seconds lang no shot clock.
Hindi, 24.
Sa takinakad ko ng kote. Problema ngayon mga rin ng pass. Ang balita ipapasok sa Capcom.
Oscar. 3 points. In and out. Backburn. Rebound. Oh, nauna na si Michael. Wala ang bola. Rebound by Eugene. Eugene number 5. Higban, the high flyer. Nakuha na ba yun yung pagsunod ni Higban? Nasaan yun?
Yun na.
Backlang, backward. Open in the kitchen. Pull up. Short, too strong. Battle of rebounds. Bang. Defending the ball like with his life. Basket. Caught in the camera.
Na-foul naman kasi siyempre. Nasa likod tinamaan.
Number 9, 15. Big boy, bang. Bonus shot.
Hindi ako masyadong kakain. Kakain ako ng pizza mamaya eh.
Ay. Te-take out ako. Pagpangalan ko. Bonus shot. Basket. Ay, walang basket. Walang basket.
24-21.
Big boy, bang. Gawa sa buhos yan.
Coach Kelvin.
Number 9, Pon.
Blocking.
Blocking foul.
Kelvin, come. You.
Shout out to Kelvin, the greatest
Number 15
tactician.
na, what's the...
Big boy.
Bang. Eugene setting up the play. 3 points. Short. It's just a pass. But slip. Maklang pass to Michael. Michael to Henry. In and out. Nagulangan ni Captain Arnold. Eugene. Big bang using his body.
Number 9.
Number 9. Pon. Please expedite. Substitution.
Sab ba? Sab?
Sub. Substitution. 2 from yellow.
Kagising pa lang ata niyan eh.
Second shot, too strong. Rebound by Higban. Loose ball. 24-21. 3-point lead only by Yellow. Jab. Press from the bench.
8 seconds lang.
Michael, wala.
Expedite.
Push. Eugene. Using the board. The bank is open. 1 point lead by Yellow team. Jack McBurn, pull up. Push. Eugene again, open. Big boy bang. Change favor. 25-24. Okay. Walang kakabangaba. Sa history. Number 7. Nagtama sa sabaw. Wala. Kakain na ako ng marami. Babalot ko para bibigyan ko extra sa linggo.
Pwede pa naman magbalot mo. Bukas din eh. Atasan.
Kim, big boy bang! Using his body block. Too strong. Loose ball. Gusto mo na para iuwi ko. Eugene crossover move. What happened? How are you?
You wanna see the score?
Basket! 2 points. 2 points. 3-point lead by the black team.
2 points by number 16.
10 seconds na 10 seconds na clock. Friend, 8 seconds.
8 seconds to shoot. McBurn. Wala, manit.
27-24.
3-point lead by the black team.
Lifting.
Lifting. Without lifting plan. Lifting supervisor.
No safety supervisor.
Parang birya.
Maluwag ba?
Jab. Short. Follow up. Pantay sa foul. Number 2.
Warning for penalty.
Warning for penalty. Back of shooting. Later, already pass the ball. Not good. If this one goes in.
Pag pumasok, sub.
Yes. Pumasok. Basket.
Sub.
Substitution.
Pasok na, papasok. Okay? Reklamo pa na reklamo sa ano. Happy face lang.
Happy face lang. Ganyan yung maganda eh.
Dito tawa din ang tao.
Dinigit sa kanya yung pagiging
Dominante.
Pass to Eugene. Eugene on the wing. Too strong. Big boy bang all the way. Wow! Cut in the camera.
Natatawa lang sa sarili niya eh.
Abaguhin mo. Ikaw nagbago niyan eh.
Tama lang yun, pwede. Pag ikalbo kanina, walang makakuha
Jab. On the 3-point line, in and out. Spike by Peng.
Sure ball.
Eugene. Dribbling the ball. Waiting for his teammates. Pass to Mike. Michael. Pass to Jab. Drop pass. Jab. 3 seconds. Time out. Black team. Si kasali si Janelle. Sa Pies. MA ka rin ba? Saan ka? Baka may bakante. Baka may 500 ka dyan, pahiram mo na ako. Balik ko sa katapusan.
Pero semi-con kami.
Semicon? Walang ibigay dyan. Pas Kuya Mar, di ba? Semicon. Last 1 minute and 40 seconds. 2-point lead by the black team. Chen, what a fake! Nice shot!
Magaling yun.
What a move! Smooth like butter!
Wala ka ng thinking.
Wala tumitira sa inyo wala Jab.
Ano, challenge.
Thinking 3! No good! Rebound by number 7! Number 00, Uncle Tong.
Lamang sila o
Four,
apat.
apat.
Yung may tinawa ako panalo pa.
Not counted.
Doon kayo masira eh, Nol. Doon kayo masira.
Kailangan eh. Magpay na yun.
Dalawang itlog.
Nawawala kayo sa ano.
Kailangan na pahinga.
Basket. 3-point lead, 1 minute and 15 seconds remaining in our second quarter. Chen, pull up, basket! What a pretty basic basketball performance by Mr. Chen.
Challenge.
Hit ban on 3 points.
Tinan mo,
Rebound by
lagi-
Pon. Pon using his bad team.
Tinan mo, Nol. Lagi yung nakuha nyo dyan. 26-31.
3-point lead. Kaya na, si Eugene. Shuben, nice pass. 30 seconds remaining. 3-0 remaining. 5-point lead.
Sipag nila, no? Baba sila kagad, oh.
5-point lead.
Anso!
Backward, guys. Hesimu, open on the wing. Rebound.
Okay, pagkain pre.
Oh, shot.
Pwede pagkain.
10 seconds.
No foul. 10 seconds.
5, 4, 2, 1.
Yun. Minyong Mula.
Huwag na magsasalita, naka-record na.
Naka-live na tayo. Warden na, warden. 5-point lead by Black Team.
Yung laban nito na like sa'yo, laging dikit, no? Overtaking.
Jab, pumukul agad. Hikban with the follow-up. Rebound, Peng, standing. Basket. Number 15, Big Boy, Peng.
Pero yung pump mo, walang tumatas. Pero putat kaya ang talo niya.
Basta si Fernando.
Oo. Pero kung sa physicalan, palitan ng tayo. No, Floyd. Warrior.
Basket this time. Yellow team on their full court press. Hikban with the putback. Basket.
Bakit kasi ang point guard na nagbababa? Ano
Court
lalabas?
press, jump on the steal again. Pass to back lang, Trap, pass to Hikban, back to back, wala. Same ball. 11 seconds. Cross court pass. Manglang. 7. Michael, tumira ng 3. Kaboom! James Pedro. 1 point lead by the yellow. Big Boy Peng, sumagasa. Basket. Homien. Ano yung homien?
Hindi na mas
Michael again, cross court pass. Jab, take over. Mike. Pumap all. Higban. Battle for rebound. Chen.
Foul.
Foul. Cylinder
Over the
foul.
back foul. Over the back foul.
Loxin, jab, Loxin, number 21. 1 point lead by the black team.
Hindi.
Cross court pass to Peng. Peng setting up the play. Pass to Shuen. 10 seconds shot clock. Oscar.
5,
4. Basket by Oscar. What a move by Oscar. 3-point lead. Basket. Yellow ball. 1 point lead by black team. 1 point lead by black. 7:58.
Di pa.
Maklang. Cross court pass to Loxin. Cross court pass to Michael. Last wing. Too strong. Rebound by Oscar. NFL pass to Chen. Ginagawa. Foul! And 1 basket. Number 78. Foul. 3-point lead by the black team. Third. 3-point lead. Bonus shot. In and out. Rebound by Higban.
退。要了。
Oh. Pass to Jab. Jab, pass to Bon. Pass to Higban. Lazy in. Number 99. 99, how many foul? Second. Two only. The greatest tactician. Basket. Basket again. One point lead by Black Shuen. What a putback. Shuen again. Basket. What a putback by number 99. Wala siguro yung kaya wala nga yung shota niya.
Wala yung dati.
Uy! Traveling violation. Time out! Yellow team. 3-point by black. 3-point lead.
Galit si Big Boy. Galit.
Si Coach Kelvin talaga mo.
Coach Kelvin, what's happening? You still our chair. Win! We should win. My lunch is at stake. My lunch is at stake. Go yellow.
Kasama na pa sa pamilya.
Rebound by Bon. Bon Black. Patay sa ball. Number 00. Uncle Tong. Pon, basket.
39-41.
Basket again.
Basket again. Good. Soon, she drops. Basket. Wala pa. 18 pa lang, 18. 18 pa lang, 18. 3-point lead by the black team. Cross court pass to Maklang. Drives in, pass to Pon, but there's a foul. Number 00 again. Back to ang foul. Uncle Tong, third.
Warning for penalty.
Personal foul. Warning for penalty, guys.
Nolds.
Not counted.
Si ano, palitan nyo yun. Si Big Boy yun. Big Boy yun. Doon ko yung madadali, pre.
Ninigarilyo pa oh. Bukas yung baga eh.
Yung nga kailangan eh. Para
Basket!
Ano yun?
Asan ba yung sa long pass yun? Sa kanya hindi.
go.
Kim! Pass to Eugene! Basket! Not count! Number 76. Number 78. Maklang. 78. Second personal.
Nangangamoy sa rompas na.
Bukuha lang ako. Mamaya ako
Sarap yan bago matulog.
Kakapalit ko lang sa pinakama eh. Kakamoy agad. Eugene pass to Chen picks, fires, no good. Rebound by Jab, pass to Michael. How you play by Chen, wala. Chen again, no good. No one is rebounding. Uncle To, pass to Chen, love, basket. What a performance by Mr. Chen. Dalawa. Nag-time out sila eh.
Second quarter yun.
Basket.
Yung 3 points yun.
1 point lead by the black team. Uncle Dong, pass to Kim, pass to Dong. Diba by Chen? What a performance by Chen. This game.
Penalty na ba?
Tigapat pa lang.
Warning, tayo penalty both teams.
Wala pa.
Eugene, pass to Mr. Chen, open, drop pass to Shu, and what a play! Basket, plus foul.
Penalty na.
Number 7, hit bang. Penalty, Mr. Rep.
Bonus shot, bonus charity.
Sa'yo, yun yung quarter siya pare.
Meron ako pa rin.
3-point lead by the black team. Maklang, kakainin ka niyan. Maklang, reverse, beautiful. Mr. Dong, pass to Chen, take 10 to shoot. Slam dunk by his bond. Time out. Black team. wag mo. Maraming time. He loves you so much.
White defense.
Right defense. Kim. Pass to Big Boy Peng. 1v1 situation. Big Boy Peng using his body. Foul.
Foul. Penalty. Rep.
15. No, 15. Walang ano yun. Walang free throw. Offensive. Walang free throw.
Offensive?
Offensive ba?
Oh, walang free throw yun. Hindi. Kasama sa foul pero hindi siya
Hindi siya
free throw.
pwede.
Hindi siya pang free throw.
Offensive yun.
Umatend ako sa BAS eh. Macburn, open in the kitchen!
Expedite!
Push! Go push! Ayan na Eugene on the line! Too strong! So many black team! Boom! Black ball.
14 tayo?
14 shot clock.
14.
14 seconds shot clock.
Good, are you good? Mr. Jane, good.
14.
Kim, cross court pass to Eugene. Eugene take. Fires, basket! Hindi pala si Mama yun. Si Oscar. Oscar. Kawin kasi. Number 9, Oscar Nani. Maklang. Drop pass to Higban. Higban. Pass to Paul. Paul pass to Higban. Paul.
Foul number 9. Penalty.
Number 9, Paul. Substitution.
Penalty.
Nagalit ka ba sa kayo? Kayo eh. May nakapusta ako sa inyo ha. May Arnold.
How many fouls?
Two pa lang.
Ilan na to, pre?
Two pa lang yan, two.
Hindi nasushoot yung free throw nila.
Pasok ba? Pasok?
Wala.
Sayang yung free throw nila.
Kulang sa'yo kasi ito. Payusin mo pa to. Tumasablay.
Basket.
Yung vitamin C nila pare.
2-point lead by the black team. Hindi ako kinakabahan. Michael open rebound. Mr. Chen is open. Basket. Maklang. Flash to the middle. Foul. Five. Two shots. Both teams are in penalty. 1 minute and 50. Dagdag.
Not counted.
5. Master Jeremiah.
Meron na sa loob yan pare. Para si Jordan lang yan eh.
Walang shoot ah.
Para open, Mr. Chen! Basket! 6-point lead by the black team. McBurn pulls up, basket. McBurn pulls the trigger. Oscar throws the ball, but there's a foul.
Penalty.
Out of shooting naman.
No matter what happened.
Play sa free throw.
121.
54. Basket.
Basket.
5-point lead by the black team. Jab, pass to Michael. Michael cross court, pass to McBurn. McBurn pulls the trigger. McBurn again. Block. Mike.
Number 7.
Number 7.
Penalty, di ba? Rep penalty.
Penalty tayo, rep.
Rep penalty.
5-point lead by black team.
Third.
Mr. Kim,
Nice coach, Kelvin. Nice play, nice play.
the greatest tactician.
Phil Jackson.
Henry. Hindi ba yan? Too much speed.
Bilis ng lipit.
Para may swoosh.
Ang lupit ng backspin.
Para may swoosh daw. Yan, naririnig nyo?
Pag pumasok naman.
ASMR. Last 40 seconds. 6-point lead. Locks in. Pulls the trigger. Basket. Kanye 11 showing their man-to-man defense. McBurn. Block. What a chase down block by number 2.
All ba yun?
Hindi, wala. Hindi.
Five seconds. 4, 3.
Go!
Basket. Then shot clock yan. Shot clock.
Shot clock yun. Shot clock yun. Shot clock.
2 points. 6-point lead. By the black team.
Okay.
Yung cellphone mo.
May iba pa eh. May iba quality. Special po mo.
3 minutes na lang. 3 minutes. Ini-stop ko na nga eh.
May iba quality. Chen. Slash. Block. Rebound by him. Sell. Jump ball. What a hustle by Mr. Chen. Grabe ang strict naman yun, Chen.
Kumakain na.
Mr. Chen.
Sige kuya.
Player of the game.
Tapos tayo niyan.
Con all the way. Wala.
Ano yung score niyan?
Go. 52-60.
52-60.
Baklang. Pass to Michael.
Tatanda na.
10 seconds to shoot. Jump open. Strong.
52-60.
Chen again. Nakaliwala. Shuwen. Rebound. Puta. 10-point lead by the black team.
Saan napapalag yan kahit mainit?
Kung ganyan yung katawan ko, siguro lang yung nilalakad sa labas na kaulad.
Hoy!
Ay!
Tao-tao na eh, no?
10-point lead. 7 minutes and 50.
10 seconds, shot clock. Maglaki natin.
Chen! Great hustle, Mr. Chen! Nice, Mr. Chen! Uy!
Foul.
Number 99.
Third foul.
Time out daw, time out.
Time out.
Time
Talagang ano nila yun?
out.
Specialty nila yun. Nasa kanila.
Kalbo ay. Abra.
12-point lead lang, guys. Kaya pa yan. Kaya pa yan.
Arnold.
Kaya pa yan. Kaya pa yan.
Nold! Ha?
Never mind, we will add 2 more. Don't worry. Don't worry.
Don't worry, big boy.
Point lead. Will the black team sustain the lead? Or the yellow will catch up? Same ball. Malayo eh. Malayo eh. Seven and 10. Michael open in and out. Mala si Michael. Ilista ko na sa ano yun. Ilista ko na sa talo.
No call. Don't complain.
Relax, control your emotions.
Pass the ball.
Ah,
Meron daw ba referee? Meron daw ba referee sabi niya?
Number 9, no, Paul, ha? Oy, pag na-record ni Paul,
oh, to.
let's go. Abo, tapos kwento eh. Number 2, wala naman number 2 dyan. Wala naman number 2 dyan.
Kickban 2 points.
Warning, number 9. 10-point lead, 10-point lead.
打自己节奏。
Ah, Hickman! Drinking the diesel! Point lead lang guys, 10 point lead. Kaya pa yan. Lagi lang. Short.
Yeah.
Jab.
Yeah.
2v3 situation. Jab. Push up. Ay!
Easy.
Coach Excel. Yellow.
Substitution.
Kaya pa yan, 10 point din lang yan. Ano na ako?
Time out kayo? Tigilan pa time out nila.
Tatlong na time out. Pressure ako. Yun, open. Ayan na! In and out! Ayo!
Sorry ka na kaya, Arnold. Piso-piso lang yan.
Arnold. Nako! Sigaw pa yun ang discussion!
Putang ina!
Winanhandle niya ang project.
Tatlong 3 points lang yan na shoot. Foul.
Foul number 2.
Kaya pa yan, matagal pa. I-extend namin pag kailangan.
54-64. Nice, coach! Ay, siya, yeah.
one. Ay, offensive.
Kanina pa to.
Number 9.
Offensive, offensive. Offensive, offensive.
Third team foul pa lang, third team foul.
Isa pa lang.
Ay, isa pa lang pala. Isa pa lang.
Okay, 3 ito.
Yan na. Sinukat mabuti. Short.
Black ball.
Sab, sab, sab.
Ilang oras na lang?
4-8.
4. Bilis. Kaya ba yan? Gusto mo na ako ah.
Sige, sir.
Arnold, tumilis. Malalang yan, Tim. Hindi ako Go, 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 go! All the way!看下面下脚有功啊！哎呦，nice nice！
Time out.
Kaya.
Ha?
Point lang, point lang.
Number 8. Why you asking points?
Points ah.
Ito no. Ang score, number 8.
Ilang points na raw yung number 8?
Later, we will compute for you. Later, later.
Number 8, too many to count.
We are busy at the moment, bro. 28 points. 28. 28 ah.
Too many to count.
Yeah.
Tubig.
Wala.
Yan, kuha ka na lang dyan, pre, oh. Kabilang yung kalaban nyo.
Back to ball game.
Kaya na mag-lock, nakawala. Tapas doon. Jen, for his 30 points pala. Butang yun.
Good lang yun,
Yan,
good lang.
nakatayo lang naman. siya.
Nakatayo
Oo,
lang?
Nakatayo lang.
Tayo lang.
Nakatayo lang.
Relax, relax. Relax, relax. Relax lang.
Relax lang, relax, relax.
Roll your emotion ka.
Matigas lang talaga yun.
Relax lang, pre, relax lang.
Kawasan mo siya, kawasan mo.
Laro lang.
Kawasan mo siya.
Hindi, talagang ganun yan. Matigas lang talaga yun.
Oh, ilagay mo na sa medyo.
Wala, cancel fight.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
Number 15.
It's okay, it's okay.
Blocking foul.
Blocking, blocking.
Yellow, number 9.
Nakatayo lang. Nakatayo lang siya.
Dito sa dilaw.
Kasama pa sa ano yan? Rep. Personal foul ba yun? Personal foul yan.
Personal foul yung ating mo.
Oh.
Graduate na.
Number 9, graduate.
Captain ball. Ano yung ball eh?
Captain mo. Walang ganun.
Pag-aralan muna namin yung ano mo.
Hindi namin dyan na rules.
Pag-aralan muna yung anim.
Apa pa yan?
Lalo yan sila ganyan sa huli, nakahabol yan.
Sa NBA, nahabol yan eh.
Sabi niya, inabol namin yung...
Wow! Ano sabi?
Inabol namin yung purple eh. 2 minutes eh.
Ayun, picture kayo.
Dahil to committee yung pre.
Sino? Si Big Boy.
Big boy pa eh.
Masok na yung 1 point.
65-56. Kim using the time. 10.
Kala ko shoot pa yun.
Number 4. McBurn.
Grabe talaga si Big Boy, no? Hindi, nadali na rin akong ganyan yan eh. Kalaro namin.
Nakita talaga siya kasi.
Sulit talaga siya.
Ang solid yung tumayo.
Gawa sa busit, parang pader yan.
Kain buhangin yan eh.
Hindi nga nausog niya yan, Marvin yan.
Ano, tawa-tawa lang. Hindi na bibigyan.
Kain buhangin semento yan eh.
Basket, basket.
29 points. 10.
What a performance from
Foul si number 2. Penalty na sila to.
Sino?
basket. Basket again. Oh, 6-2 minutes and 36 points, guys.
Bro, okay bro?
35 too many score already. Jump up, backburn, fake, push the trigger, basket. 4.3, 4.3. Last two. Short.
Wah, sa buhos yan.加油！放4公分，你看这，放4。
Basket again.
Pito.
7-point lead, guys. Last 2 minutes.
Number 2 how many foul?
1 minutes, 2 minutes.
I'll check. Later.
Ayun, open. Stop. Ano?
Penalty na ba? Penalty?
Wala pa. Stop.
Bali, sige, dyan na.
Oras natin. 60 minutes. Habol tayo, guys. Jump. foul number 15.
Ano ba yun? Ikaw pa yung sa ano? Wala?
Offensive.
Twenty-two, 1.22.
Ito lang yan, no?
McBurn! You pull the trigger, McBurn! Bang! 4 point lead! 4 point lead! 4 point lead! 4 point lead! 1 minute remaining!
Seven seconds shot clock! 4, 5, 4, 3,
Tinuhod eh. Sakit yung tuhod eh.
4 point lead! 4 point lead!
3 points shot, diba?
Foul!
Penalty na ba nila?
Penalty! Number 15!
Graduate na, graduate.
Number 15!
15, graduate!
Broadway! 4 point lang guys!
40.
Kitchen ba? Kitchen.
Isa lang! Pwede pa yan, isa lang! Kahit overtime tayo!
Complain ha?
Basket! Ay, naku patay!
Kupan na, siya kupan na rin.
Ano si Arnold?
24 seconds! 18 seconds!
18.
Kaya po yan!
Sayang no puta.
Extend to!
Sayang no.
Yaban!
Tayo nga.
Time out tayo! Dumaking siya, 3-4-3.
Ganda ng box yun eh.
Na-shoot, time out ha!
Quick 3 lang kayo, quick 3.
Hey! Basket!
PS7 production.
Congratulations!
Everybody come on, let's go. SB.
Nagagawan ng buka.
SB Baller.
Ganda ng comeback. Sayang.
Dribble, pass, shoot, some